Sitting at the very top of the latest XC60 lineup is the T8 Polestar engineered variant. Although it's not a hardcore performance model to rival the likes of the Alfa Romeo Stelvio QV, BMW X3M and Jaguar F-Pace SVR and the like, it does enter the market as a subtle and suave alternative for those who want a fast SUV. It's based on the otherwise flagship T8R design, except it comes with a range of Polestar engineered items. You'll notice a discreet badge at the back, as well as black exhaust tips with Polestar branding, while underneath is a bespoke sports suspension setup by Öhlins. There's also a set of 21-inch alloy wheels that hide special gold-painted performance brakes with Brembo-developed calipers. The impressive wheels are wrapped in Pirelli P0 tyres, measuring 255 by 40 front and rear. Inside, it's typical modern Volvo, garnished with hints of performance influence. The sports seats in the front are just marvellous, and you'll probably spot the gold seatbelts that match the suspension and brakes. Up on the dash is Volvo's fantastic tablet-style touchscreen system, which comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity as standard. Passenger space is good for this class, with this test model featuring a full sunroof that provides a little bit of extra headroom when the blind is open. Rear seat accommodation is excellent, with sporty seats and climate vents for the outer passengers, although there is no central climate vent. Boot space is listed at 468 litres for this Polestar variant. There's a special pouch for the charging cable, which hooks neatly on the side, and there is a 12-volt socket tucked away in the corner. Under the bonnet, the hybrid system is enhanced by Polestar, lifting the power from the standard T8's 300 kilowatts to 311. It's here you'll also notice the adjustment options for the serious Öhlins suspension setup, which includes a chunky strut brace. As usual, we performed a number of acceleration tests with this car using a V-Box, trying out various takeoff methods. Despite our efforts, we couldn't match Volvo's 0 to 100 claim of 5.2 seconds. Even so, it is a very swift mid-size SUV. Our only real complaint is the sound. We wish Polestar provided a proper sports exhaust system for the package, as it is very quiet. This is what it goes like.